After prepping her skin, she finds her cheekbone's highest point and moves it upward to mark her foundation start. She fills the inner contour, extends it vertically to map the contour line, then applies with a flat brush and sets with powder. This ensures precise placement. She mixes contour liquid with foundation, then pushes it downward into cheekbones using gray-toned foundation. This dual technique creates coverage and dimension simultaneously. After base makeup, she highlights sunken areas and the chin. She brightens the eyes, chin and nose for a clean look. This adds sophistication and dimension. She draws a V on the nose tip with light bridge color connecting to brows. Scattered blending creates dimension, single lines look flat. She blends outward for a natural gradient. After contouring, she draws the brows and softens them with a fluffy brush and chocolate shade for tonal consistency. For blush, she applies nude brown blush from below the pupil, upward at the cheekbone. Light, padded application melts into skin. This creates natural dimension. For eyes, she applies shimmery beige base, brown tone to prevent puffiness. Layers brown shade extending upward, then blends edges with concealer brush for clean makeup. Darker brown at the inner corner plus pink creates elegance. She applies double eyelid tape upward, layering another behind to elongate the fold for a cat eye effect. This creates the lifted shape. She draws lengthened eyeliner and separates the last lash tuft for a wispy finish. For the lower line, she uses powder to prevent smudging, fills with dark shade, then blends upward to connect smoothly. This frames the eye naturally. Next, she used this peach shade for the lower lash line and blush. Apply the blush diagonally to create a lifting effect. For lips, she applies intense shade 5 inside, blending outward with a brush for fullness, then layers moisturizing shade 6. She cleans edges with concealer. The final polish comes from detail contouring. She dabs contour cream on the nose bridge, tip and Philtrum, angling strokes to lift mouth corners. This adds the sophisticated finish most skip. She uses high brightness highlighter, crucial for visible impact, making everything cohesive. And finally, shimmery contacts finish the transformation. Before we wrap up, let's meet Zhao Huang Pao Pao, a red beauty creator with nearly 800k followers who specializes in wearable, sophisticated makeup. Her strength is making elegant looks achievable for everyday life, not just special occasions. Show her support by following her on Red for more incredible tutorials like this one. This Heiress cat eye look perfectly solves the polished but not overdone dilemma we all face, especially for those important days when you need to look camera ready but still look yourself. It's ideal for anyone who wants that expensive, put-together aesthetic without spending hours on makeup. The non-negotiables: scattered contouring for dimension, upward placement for lift, and those finishing details on the nose and Philtrum that tie everything together. If you found this valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more technique-focused tutorials. Drop your questions or biggest makeup struggles in the comments. I read and respond to everyone. Thanks for watching, and remember, confidence is your best makeup. See you next time.